no! Her wing fall off. Oh no!
This. I gotta do this.
This is our thread.
And it's a fluffy.
This is our needle. This is the cotton that goes inside.
And these are the
And
googly
these are the
eyes.
decorative pieces that we're
Yes.
going to have.
And this is the glue.
And the glue, so we can have this.
And the scissors.
So
We can't use it.
get this extra thread. So we're going to start here in the corner. Okay. Here. Pull.
Oh, see,
Yep, all the way around. You gotta keep going.
This is the face, this is the
Yep.
body.
You still got a long way to
We
go.
got many, many more to go. Under.
oh, see, under.
Oh, you broke it. How did that happen?
Oh, here, oh, here.
We need some more there. This.
Oh, yes.
When you add a little more, and then we'll leave the rest of the mold so give it
Of you? No? More fluffy now. Done? Baby shark, baby shark.
Oh no, no, stop, stop. All right.
Yeah,
Close it up.
you did it. You did it. You did it. Now put the toppies on. That's it.
Oh, here. That's enough, that's enough.
Here.
Yes.
Let's see. It's right here. Yeah, it's oh, right here. Like this. Like this. Like this. Better. Like he's smiling.
These are his cheeks.
Cheeks go right here. Yes. Here. Cheeks. Good. And it's hands. Yeah, look. Look at the picture. Oh, sorry. The wings. over here.
It goes under. So
Oh, yeah. I can fly. Mama, I'm going to show you how to write the letter A. A.
good job.
Oh.
A. 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 A for me. A. I have an A in my name.
You
Yes.
do. M-I-A.
Let's see. It's the final product.
Whoa, does it look like
good?
it?
Does it match the photo?
Yes?
What do you think? What do
Yes.
you guys think?
Oh. The wing fell off. Oh no!